take a look at this Phantom wallet. $4.5 million all earned through meme coin launches. Not from guessing, not from hype, just a repeatable system. If you want to see how it works step by step, stick around. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. Now, I personally wasted months on months buying into meme coins, and every single time I thought it would 10x, I only got dumped on every single time. Now let me go on a lower time frame for a clear review, just like this. Then it clicked. The people winning were not traders. They were launchers. Okay, the people deving the coins. Launching completely flips the script. You are not chasing hype anymore. You are actually creating it for your own benefit. Obviously, you can dump it right after. And because you're the one launching, you've got completely nothing to lose. You can just try over and over again until one coin goes extremely viral. Now, if you keep trading, you'll bleed all your money. And bro, right now, Bitcoin is hitting records, Solana is pumping, there's no better window to start launching than right now. I'm pretty sure Solana is at $220 now. You'll want to seize this opportunity right now before it goes back down. By the way, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Only learn the strategy, but do not use it. Cap! Pump.Fun is oversaturated. Hundreds of launches every single minute, drowning each other out. That's exactly why I stopped using Pump.Fun. Your project gets buried and you don't even control your own liquidity. And that's also why I switched to create tokens.io. Because here, it launches your coins right to Raydium, instantly graduated and migrated, visible right away right here, and you control every single part of it. If your coin pumps and you're up a couple $100, that's all you. Like this coin, I'm pretty sure it was fucking launched on createtokens.io. Now, launching on createtokens.io is quick, and you have two options. The first option is actually to create a coin from scratch. So choose a hot meme or trend. Go on X or Twitter and try to find anything that's trending. Right now, Charlie got shot, so that's a good coin that you can make a meme coin on and print generational wealth. It's absolutely insane. Charlie Kirk, everyone on Twitter right now is talking about Charlie Kirk. It's absolutely insane, bro. He's going viral. Now that's a good narrative. Anyways, once you find a good narrative, come back to the site. Then assign a name, ticker symbol, and upload a 128 by 128 logo. Then click next, confirm, and boom, you are done. But the second option though, that's my go-to because it's the most profitable. The copy trending coins. These coins are already trending on Pump.Fun with hype and traffic behind them. When you copy and launch them here, they graduate instantly to Raydium. That means immediate buyers and bigger profit potential right from the start. Both work, but if you want fast results, most people copy coins because it's just easier. Alright, let's cut out all the wait. I'm going to launch a coin right now live so you can see how fast it works. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. I'm gonna disconnect it, then reconnect it for you guys. Boom, is that easy. Then refresh list, and we're gonna look for a coin to potentially copy and make some money. Honestly bro, I don't care. I'm gonna go with the Forg coin. It has like a funny PFP, 50 replies, a last buy 20 seconds ago. It looks promising. So I'm gonna create coin. In your warning from Phantom, every single person is gonna get this and just go through it. So proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created. You just gotta be patient. And boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's live, minted on the blockchain, so everything works. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super fucking easy. Adding liquidity is what makes your coin tradable and fucking live on Raydium. Okay, now the first step is the amount token A. Just tap 90%. That's gonna put 900 million coins into the liquidity pool for you. And right under is the amount token B. This is basically your first buy. You're not losing any money here, right? It just sits in the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull the liquidity later, that Solana comes right back to you. So you have nothing to worry about. I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana. Then obviously make sure you have enough in your wallet. Then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the 4 coin is on live. This is the pool ID, and this is your PNL. Now obviously if you click on refresh once again, now we're up $220, which is really great. If you click on view on Photon to see the chart, just give it a bit of time for it to load, because now let me go on full screen. Okay, now it's live. It took a bit of seconds. Okay, we are starting out at a $1.8 thousand market cap, 70 bucks, 70 bucks. Oh my god, bro! That's really fucking good. It's pumping. We're up a couple $100. That's really good. Let's go. Now, please, guys, do not be emotional like me. I'm really emotional with money, but remember that all this is all money without losing anything. So, it's all money coming in your pockets. So please do not be emotional. More and more people are going to start seeing your coin on Raydium, and more people are going to start buying. That's how it works as devs. As you guys can see, it's fucking bullish. It's going to go higher and higher. We're at a 3k market cap. That's really good. 60 bucks, 20 bucks, 50 bucks. Damn, bro. In 1 minute, we're up $200 right here. That's absolutely insane. It is pumping. Now all we have to do from now on is wait and just be patient, bro. So I'm gonna be right back. I will do a quick time lapse for a couple seconds, so please bear with me. Okay guys, I am back. I am at a $10,000 market cap within a couple minutes, which is really good because it's bullish. Anyways, come back to create tokens.io to make some money. Then click on refresh. And boom, I am up $1.7 thousand, which is decently good. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. After that, click on refresh. Oh, my bad, I meant confirm. But anyways, boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin, dump it, and print generational wealth. And my Phantom wallet, 1.8k, right here, it's all legit.